A little less than a year ago, I introduced you to CLAMPZILLA, Woodpeckers 4-way panel clamp. Today, I want you to meet CLAMPZILLA Jr. It's the same basic idea, but re-engineered around the widths and thicknesses you're most likely to need for cabinetry and furniture projects. Like the original, CLAMPZILLA Jr. uses a scissor joint to connect the bar above your work to one below your work. As you tighten the screw, the clamping pads are pushing horizontally and the bars are being pulled closer together. Now, even though we scaled things down a little, don't get the idea that CLAMPZILLA Jr. is a lightweight. As an extreme example, last year I showed you CLAMPZILLA taking the twist, warp, and bow out of some home center 1x4s. Well, here's Junior doing exactly the same thing, just as effectively. CLAMPZILLA Jr. is perfect for building raised panel cabinet doors. First, for gluing up the panels, it's just the right size. There's not an extra foot or two of clamp always trying to punch you right in the belly. And your panels come out needing very little sanding. Then, when it's time to assemble the door, the size is just right again. And the 4-way pressure makes sure the cope and stick joint doesn't rack when you clamp it up. The standard bars on CLAMPZILLA Jr. will let you glue up panels up to 19.5 inches wide on 3/4 inch material, a little more on thinner stock and a little less on thicker stock. If you need more width, we offer a set of extended bars that will give you a capacity of 37.5 inches on 3/4 inch stock. During the one-time tool offer for CLAMPZILLA Jr., we're also offering the original CLAMPZILLA. If you need the capacity to clamp stock up to 4 inches thick, then the original CLAMPZILLA is right for you. But if you don't work with panels in excess of 1.5 inches in thickness, and you're tired of dodging the ends of the clamps hanging over your bench, then CLAMPZILLA Jr. is the one you're looking for. CLAMPZILLA and CLAMPZILLA Jr. 4-way panel clamps. Perfectly flat panels, fast and easy. Order yours today.